In this video, we are going to learn about some other command control and their events, and also we are going to learn how we are uploading an image or viewing an image inside C# Windows Form application. Before getting into that, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notification. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends. Thank you, friends. You can find this video tutorial PDF file inside my blog. I will give this link in the description below. So let's start. I already created a Windows Phone application. I already added some label like name, address, country, date of birth, gender, what are the hobbies. So I will show you how we are adding other control and how we are giving some event to that. For name, we can use directly simple text box. For address, we can use rich text box, which is called multi-line. Okay. For country, you can use combo box. Combo box is drop down box. For adding drop down, you can go to properties here. There is a properties called items. Click on this button. You can add your own value. For date of birth, you can use date time picker. You can see this is coming long format of date. Go to the properties of date time picker. There is a properties called format. You can keep it to short, so it will come date only. Next, gender. For gender, I am going to use radio button. Drag a radio button here. Give the properties. Go to the text. Give a name. I did copy paste actually. Text properties. For hobbies, I will use text box. Sorry, I will use checkbox. So we can add multiple. You can here checkbox. Okay. So checkbox, let's say reading. This one is my favorite hobby. Okay. So now run the application. How you can see how it is looking. Run this. So you can see this form is coming. You can add name here, your address, multiple, multi-line. Country you can select from drop down. Date you can select the date picker. You can see once I click here, a calendar pop-up is coming. I can select here. I click again. I click, so I can select 2004 June the date. Gender male or female. Radio button you can select only one at a time. But in case of checkbox, you can select multiple hobbies. Like you can see here. Okay, so you can see how we are using this different control. Now I will show you how we use event on this control. The primary event. For drop down box, just double click here. You can find combo box 1 dot selected index. Combo box 1 is its name or its ID, you can see. Okay, so here I'm just message box dot show. How we can get the value? You have selected combo box 1 dot text properties. Okay, now run this and see. You selected Nepal. If I select something, you selected India. So next, date of birth means date time picker. Double click on this, it will come value changed. So here also I'm adding the same thing. Date of birth is date time picker dot text. Now see, if I select some date of birth is, so how we are getting the text properties inside the event. Now this radio button, the by default event is changed event. Just double click on the, you can see check changed. So here I will write if rd mail property checked equal to true, means if it is true, then message box dot show male, else message box dot show female. Same event I can add in the next radio button, right? So running this application, you can see female, male, you can get how. So the properties is dot checked, if it is true, then this one. So next to checkbox, I'm giving for only one checkbox. Select the checkbox, double click, the same thing as for the radio button, you can check changed event. Here also checked change event. So if checkbox 1 dot checked equal to true, then I will dynamically get the text property. So message box dot show checkbox 1 dot text. Now see, if it is true, what I written here, if it is checked is true, and checkbox always do toggle value, check uncheck. I'm unchecking this, it is not coming anything. I'm checking this and it is coming, right? Okay. So I will add one more thing, picture box. Here you can see in your toolbox there is a called picture box. So there is a properties also here. How we are fitting this stretch image, so it will fit on this particular box. I want that when I click on this picture box, automatically it will open the open file dialog box. I will select my image, then it will upload here. So I'm giving a label here like this. To show the user, okay, this is need to check. Then we need to go here, we need to go to properties. This is event, this lightning mark is called event. You can say click event, double click in this click event, then add the code. How we are adding, like this. Last class I show you how to use open file dialog box, open file dialog box dot show, then this picture box properties, the name is, you can see here, picture box 1. So picture box 1 dot image equal to image dot from file open file dialog box dot file name. The file we selected, it will come here. Now run the application. If I click on here, you can see open file dialog box is coming. I am selecting one image. So come to know multiple also adding, right? This is called picture box. So you can see this is just like a form, like a software, a real life software. We are entering employee name, address, country, date of birth, gender, hobbies, and his profile photo. Next, I will show you how to use. I will adding a button. Open browser. I will add one more form and I will add one web browser there. Right click on the Solution Explorer, add window form. I'm giving as a browser form. Okay. Here I'm calling this browser from this button. Browser from brf equal to new browser from brf dot show browser. So if I run this now, it's coming, but I need a web browser. So how we can do? Go to your command controls. There is a called web browser. Drag it to here. It's always come fill, complete fill. So right click on the proper browser, go to properties. You can see there is a called URL. I'm giving www dot my website viswaranjan.info. Now run the applications. Open the browser. Wait for some time, it will load. Navigation page or cancel. You can try refresh the page. Okay, let give. So you can run this browser like this. www dot. Okay, I don't have internet connection, guys, so it is coming like this. Suddenly my power gone. For today, guys, this much. Thank you very much. Thank you.